Hey everyone, Cheryl here. Welcome to the Brunch Master. Today we are making pan-fried Hariyali chicken, juicy, flavorful and packed with herbs and spices. Let's look at the ingredients needed for this dish. Curry cut chicken, 1 kg, pepper powder, 2 teaspoons, garlic, 7 to 8 pods, turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon, roughly chopped onions, 2, roughly chopped coriander leaves, 1 cup, roughly chopped mint leaves, 1 cup, cornflour, 1 tablespoon, salt, 2 teaspoons or as required. Let's begin with the process. Take a blender jar and add garlic, onions, turmeric powder, black pepper powder, coriander leaves, mint leaves, salt, add a little water and grind it into a smooth paste. Then pour the marinade over the chicken. Mix well, ensuring each piece is coated. Cover and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes to an hour or overnight in the fridge for deeper flavors. After resting, transfer the marinated chicken to a cooking pot. Add little water. Dry all the excess water. If you are using tender chicken, then you can skip this step and pan fry the chicken directly. Once you dry all the water, let it cool for some time. Then add some corn flour to the chicken. Mix it gently. Heat some sunflower oil or any neutral oil in a pan. Once the pan is hot, add in chicken pieces one by one. Do not overcrowd the pan. Flip the sides and fry on medium heat until all the pieces turn golden brown. If you want, you can squeeze some lemon juice over the fried chicken. An amazing, flavorful pan-fried Hariyali chicken is ready to serve. It's a perfect side dish along with rice, dal and rasam. Kids will love this recipe as it's tasty but not spicy. Thank you for watching the video. Enjoy your flavorful, simple pan-fried Hariyali chicken. Be sure to like and subscribe for more simple and easy recipes.